Welcome to day 2 of My New Bed. We're going to begin today with a sight word review. We're going to play Beat the Teacher. I will point to a word. You will try to say it before I do. Let's start with this word. Say the word out loud. That's the word new. Say the next word out loud. Said. Say the next word out loud. Little. Say the next word out loud. Two. Say the next word out loud. Love. Say this word out loud. Has. Say this word out loud. Have. And this word out loud. Went. How many of these words were you able to say out loud? All right, now we're going to review our CVC words. When we have CVC words, they have 3 letters, C for consonant, V for vowel, and the last letter is a C for consonant. So our vowel is in the middle. Let's sound out these type of words together. You'll see all these words in our story. Ready? Say the sounds out loud. B, and D. Bed. Say it with me. B, g, bag. K, n, can. B, g, big. Mom. Yes, yes. G, get. Ed, red. Jet. Now we're going to work on some words that you will see when you are doing your tests. All right? These are CVC words. They all have a vowel in the middle. Let's sound them out and blend them together. Ready? Together. Z, ip, zip. W, ax, wax. Ugh, hug. Ot, rot. Ix, mix. Did you say the words out loud with me and the sounds? Keep it up. Tan. It, kit. Let's just fix this a little bit better. There, that looks better. Next one. Ad, sad. Ag, lag. Ot, dot. Let's do one more row together. Remember to say the sounds and blend it with me out loud. At, bat. Ass, gas. Op, pop. Ox, ox. Og, jog. There was one word on here that was not a CVC word. It was a CV word. A VC word. Did you find it? It's the word ox. All right. The next thing we're going to do is read our story together. Our story is My New Bed. And we're going to read it together. Read out loud with me as I point. Let's begin. My new bed. Ready? Read. I have a bed. My bed is too little. I beg Mom, can I get a big bed? Mom said yes. We went to get a big bed. I like this bed. This bed is red. It is a big red bed. It has a jet on it. I like the bed with the jet. Can we get this bed? I said. Mom said yes. I can get this bed. I love my red bed. Were you able to read the story with me? Great job. Great job reading with me. Now we're going to do duet reading. I'll say the words in white, and you'll say the words that are in yellow. So as you can see, we're going to read every other word. I'll say my, you'll say new, and I'll say bed. We're going to do this the whole way through the book. You read all of the yellow words and say them out loud. Ready? Here we go. My bed. Let's continue. I say the white. You say the yellow words out loud. Ready? I, a, my, is, little. I, mom. I, a, bed, said, we, to, a, bed, like, bed. This is it, a, red, it, a, on, I, the, with, jet. We, this, I, mom, yes. Ken, this, I, my, bed. How did the duet reading go for you? Were you able to say all the yellow words out loud? Great work. All right, now we're going to answer some questions about the story. Read this first question with me. What did I get? In the story, what did I get? Here's our answer on page 3. Read it with me. We went to get a big bed. So if you said big bed, that is correct. Read the next sentence out loud with me. Ready? Begin. What color was the bed? Say your answer out loud now. Let's look back in the story and see if you were correct. Read with me. This bed is red. Did you say the bed was red? Awesome job. And here's our last question. Read it with me. What was on the bed? Say your answer out loud. Let's look in the story. We can see in the picture and in the text. Ready? Read with me. It has a jet on it. Did you say jet? That is the correct answer. Really nice job answering some comprehension questions to show that you understand what you read. That's what comprehension means. Now we're going to pull out our piece of paper that looks like this, and we're going to do some writing. I'm going to tell you a sentence that uses some of our sight words and some of our CVC words. You are going to write down that sentence on this first line here with your pencil. Get ready to write now on this first line. The sentence you're writing has 6 words. I will say them to you, you will repeat them, and then I'll say them a few more times so you make sure you know what you're writing. Here is our sentence you will write. I have a little bed too. Ready? Say it with me. I have a little bed too. 6 words to remember. So I'll say it a couple more times as you start writing right here. I have a little bed too. Write that sentence down. You can see there's some sight words and some words you can sound out in that sentence. I have a little bed too. Use your best handwriting. Make sure to do finger spaces between your words. I have a little bed too. If you run out of space on the first line, you can write on the next line. All right, just a little bit more time to finish the sentence, and if you don't finish, it's okay. I have a little bed too. Let's take a look at what the sentence should look like. Check and see if yours looks like this. And again, if you didn't finish, that's okay. You can finish now. I have a little bed too. Notice I put a capital at the beginning, and I is always capitalized when it's a word. And I put a period at the end of the sentence. You may also notice that we have 3 sight words that you need to remember part of it by heart. The word bed is a CVC word we could sound out. B-E-D. Try to make your sentence look like mine as best as you can. All right, underneath this sentence, you're going to write our next sentence. So it's okay if you didn't finish this one. That's okay. We're going to move on, and we're going to write a different sentence. This sentence is, my mom has a new bed. Okay, 6 words again. Say it with me. My mom has a new bed. Okay, start writing it. My mom has a new bed. My mom has a new bed. To your very best handwriting. My mom has a new bed. Remember your capital letter at the beginning of your sentence and your period at the end. Just take a little bit more time to try to finish up your sentence. My mom has a new bed. All right, I'm going to show you what the sentence looks like, and it's okay if you didn't finish. Read it with me. My mom has a new bed. That word bed is the same that we had before, our CVC word. Mom is also a CVC word we can sound out. And then we have 3 sight words. Did you remember that has ends with an S? That makes the Z sound. Did you remember how to spell the word new? You can change yours to match mine. Great work today, friends.